guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have Molly here. She's a dental hygienist. She also happens to be my sister. So she's got a lot of problems that stem from her job and working, in that always bent over one way position all the time. So you've been working as a dental hygienist for how long?
6 years now.
6 years. So just had a lot of damage just from working this job. I've seen a lot of changes in her. So so what's kind of going on today?
Just the same as usual. Just some burning and tightness in the upper shoulder area, and then lower back, just a little stiffness. And I know every time I come in, it's usually misaligned.
Yeah.
One area is more inflamed. So.
Okay. Yeah, she hasn't been in a little while, so she could really use a tune-up right now. So, all right, let's get started. We'll have you go face down. I'm going to go ahead and throw some heat on your back and loosen up some of those muscles, okay? Either one of those bothering you? No. The left short. Turn your head to the right. Get back to the left. And not so much there. Okay. Back to center. Left short. The heat actually helps you quite a bit. Let's go down towards your feet just a little bit. Okay, let your arms fall to the ground. Good. Relax. There it was. Good. Chin up. Relax right under your chin. Good. Good.
No way.
No, it's okay. The same thing, chin up and relax right under your chin. Ooh, yeah. One under. Good.
Holy.
Alright, go ahead and flip over on your back. How's your neck been?
It's been a little sore lately.
Sore and tight like usual?
Yeah.
Any headaches or
Tight
anything?
more than anything.
Or not too bad?
Not too much.
The dish is actually really good. A little bit to that wow. What was that noise? Let that right shoulder kind of relax a little bit. Good. Wasn't too bad.
A little one.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Is that all?
Good. That's it. Alright, we're going to have you go on your side with your low back now. So bottom one straight. And this one goes up behind. Perfect. Slide you all the way to the edge. Grab your elbow. Perfect. Good. Hear that one?
That cracked more than it usually does.
Let's go over here. Yep, you're good. Okay, slide this one back. Okay, grab your elbow. Good. Awesome. Both those are pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna do the Y strap now. Do a little axial adjustment for you. Traction that spine out. So this is her first Y strap adjustment. She's never had this done before. So I think this will be very beneficial for you as far as your job goes. Relax straight down.
Is my phone in the way?
No, it's fine. I'm not on it, am I? No, you're good.
Oh, I didn't know if I need.
No, you're good. So we're just do a little traction first, okay? Feel good?
Yeah.
Should feel it all the way through. Go and relax. You're so small, I'm pull you right off the table.
My cheeks are getting
You're smiling really well.
Oh God! I was not expecting that.
Just relax and breathe.
Oh my God.
Just relax.
Whoa.
How'd that feel?
Whoa, this woke me up. Oh, it felt good.
Okay.
It felt like I just stretched.
Alright, so she gets lots of tension in her shoulder, she said, and upper back. So not only does the adjustment help with that, but we're going to do a little bit of percussion massage on it.
Oh, that's intense. Like my whole brain is shaking.
It's fun to try and talk and do this.
Yeah. Oh, my God. Hey, this thing is intense.
It is intense. It shakes your whole head.
Oh,
It does feel really good though after.
yeah.
Feels good during, but feels really good after.
What are all the different heads they have for?
I like this one the most just because it's flatter. The rest, some of them are a little pointy for my taste.
That's where I always feel like the burning, right there.
Yeah. You work over towards the right? You
Yeah.
rotate that way?
Mhm.
Yeah.
And I'll
So
like,
this shoulder's always raised up
Mm.
when you're working.
I'll like push my back into the bottom of the cabinet,
Okay.
the top cabinet, and like just push it in there. That feels good. Just like putting pressure.
Cool. So how'd that feel?
Felt like it loosened up a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, that feels really good. Feels like you're getting a massage,
Okay.
a deep tissue massage.
Hey guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic in Orland Park. If you're looking for a Y-strap doctor around the Chicagoland area, give us a call. If you're also looking for good old-fashioned hands-on chiropractic that gets you where you need to be and gets your recovery started faster, give us a call here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic.